Tino, as y'all know. And I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, I ain't even gonna do too much talking. I'm just coming at y'all with a little nighttime highway point of view, a little cutting up and shit. If y'all notice, you feel me? I'm listening to y'all, man. I went and got me a GoPro. I had one, but it was fucked up type shit, so I went and got me a new one. As y'all can see, I got both of my hands out, both hands on the steering wheel, man. You feel me? Yeah, shit, let's go ahead and get this video in. Shit, get some good content in for y'all. BMW truck, nigga, don't want it for real. You see what we in. I had to do it. I had to. Gotta make this bitch scream, you know. Not like usually. Look at the BMW truck. He flying in that bitch. Oh, that's an M. Phone them grand. Phone them. That's an X5M. He still don't want it though. My mama. Like, he done made me lose track of what I was gonna say. Like, I ain't gonna lie, gang, I love being on the highway. I'm always on the highway usually. I don't know, I be recording this sometimes, but like, man, I don't know, like, it'd be hard to drive with my phone. Look at him. It'd be hard to drive with my phone in my hand, but like, I mean, shit, I got the GoPro now, so I'm finna be dropping hella content for y'all, the content that y'all wanna see, man. I know y'all be fucking with my content hard, man. I thank y'all for all the support for sure. That shit y'all be going crazy. For real. Shit. He trying to float that bitch, ain't he? He sure trying to. Let me show y'all a little ying. Come here, phone them. Damn, I done created something, haven't I? This mug's flying now. Hold on, y'all finna see him. We got one. Bro, I thought they was police the way they was flying in that. I say this all the time, Hellcats is like one of the best cars ever created, gang. This shit don't make no sense. Like, why would you make something like this, then release it to the public? Like, what type of sense? Then he trying to race me, look at him. And a Kia, that's the Kia boys right there. Phone now. That's the Kia boys. Hell no. I'm listening to y'all, man. Shit, y'all say y'all want longer content, so I'm gonna drop some longer content for y'all, man. So, yeah. lie. I wanna ask y'all what y'all think about this. I wanna do a tour and host a car meet in every city, or like at least try and go to a car meet in every city type shit. With all of the car content creators that I could get in touch with. You feel me? So I definitely want to do that. So if y'all can if y'all fucking with that, man, comment down below. Let me know. Start DMing me on Instagram at the Life of Tino. DMing me some people to hit up. You feel me? Oh, and if all y'all wondering, like, why is it so dark in my car? Like, if y'all know my channel, like, if y'all subscribers, y'all already know, man. I ain't got no lights on right now. My starlights, they unplugged. My steering wheel is unplugged. Shit, even my front SRT badge is unplugged right now. I had a problem. If you didn't watch my, it's not my latest video, but like probably like 2-3 videos ago, I explained in that video what was going on with my car, and shit, that'll explain why I have all this shit unplugged. I just haven't got it plugged up back yet because of the guy who do them. He out of town right now. That's why. This motherfucker loud as fuck. I see some lights and shit up here. You know you gotta slow down when you start seeing flashing lights and shit. So you don't want it to be them boys. And it's a weird ass spot right here. Like, if you stay in Illinois, you probably know where I'm talking about. Like, if you stay like next, like if you know where I stay at, if you stay out here next to me, you know where I'm talking about. That motherfucker, it's only one part of the highway where it's no light, and it's I was finna finish the video, I swear to God I was. And then this Bentley just blew past me doing like 100. And I don't even know what type of Bentley this is. What type of Bentley is this? Is this even this not even a fucking Bentley. I'm tweaking. It's a fucking, what is this? A Genesis? So now I gotta burn his ass. y'all get what I'm saying, but he don't get what I'm saying. You feel me? Like, he pushing up on the wrong nigga, gang. Like, let him know he pushing up on the wrong cop. Phone them. You better go find one of them other niggas and one of them, you know, you feel me? One of them little boy ones. Cause this ain't it. Phone them. Make this bitch shake on them, you know? This bitch move. I gotta slow this bitch down. Hell no. Hey, if y'all haven't seen this one video I uploaded a while back, probably like a year ago now. It's I did top speed in this motherfucker. I hit like 180, like 181, 182 type shit. So like, this nigga own me, ain't he? He own me, ain't he, gang? I got him. So like, go check that video out. I ain't never went faster than that though. That's the fastest I ever went, ever in life. Besides doing 170 in that Ferrari, but that 170 in that Ferrari is I think that's faster than my 180 in my Hellcat. Oh my mama, that shit felt like death at your front door. On my mama it did. But yeah, gang, shit, that shit gonna wrap up the rest of this video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and y'all already know, man, go ahead, do all that good shit, like, comment, subscribe, all that good shit, man, because you know your boy is on the road to 10K. We just hit 4K. We on the road to 5K, but then we on the road to 10K. So go ahead, do that, share the video with your auntie, your uncle, your mama, whoever, and out.